Hello friends, welcome to engineering tutorial. So far in the previous videos related to signal operations, we discussed about signal inversion, amplitude inversion and the amplification. Okay, so amplitude scaling and inversion, those two things. So in this video we are going to see the combined operation of amplitude scaling and inversion at the same time. Okay, so here we have a signal, okay, which has this shape, and we have to perform this operation. Okay, so here the signal gets multiplied with 2. It means it's amplitude scaling. Actually amplification is taking place, and the negative sign here, it means amplitude inversion. So both these things will be done at the same time. Okay, so let us do it. So we have to perform this operation yt equals to minus 2xt. So we can do it directly, but if you are getting started with signals and systems, you have to do it in 2 steps so that you understand it in a better way. First we'll do this. Okay, first we'll do the scaling part, the amplification part, and then we'll do the inversion part in 2 steps. So for that, here we have to draw the axis again. Okay, it will take a little bit more space. Okay, let's rub it here. Okay, so as I said, in amplitude scaling, at all the distinct points, you have to notice here in the original signal the various points 1, 2, 3, 4 at t equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to note the amplitudes, and in the scaling portion, the scaled signal, you have to multiply those amplitude by the scaling factor. So here it is yt equals to 2xt. So at each of these points, at t equals to 1, at t equals to 2, 3 and 4, the respective amplitude at those points will be multiplied by 2. So here at t equals to 1, its amplitude is 2. So here it will become 4. Here at t equals to 3, its amplitude is 3. So it will become 6. Again at t equals to 4, it is dropping down from 2 to 0, it will become from 4 to 0. So similarly, in a similar way. This is the time axis. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, at 1, here it is 2, so it will be 4. Also it is 4. Then it's increasing from 2 to 3 here. Here it will increase from 4 to 6. Okay, so at 3 it will be 6. And again at t equals to 3, it is dropping from 3 to 2. So here it will drop from 6 to 4. And rest is the same here it is dropping from 2 to 0, it will drop from 4 to 0. So this is the first step, okay, 2xt. Now we have to perform amplitude inversion on it, that is minus 2xt. Okay, so let us do that. Now we'll perform the amplitude inversion portion of this signal here. Okay, so here we have drawn the axis, as it will be in the negative side, so it will all be negative amplitude. So it is just like, as we have already discussed in the amplitude inversion video, it will just like folding the signal around the horizontal axis, mirror image of the signal around the horizontal axis. So we will say the same here, it would be minus 4, then at 2 it is, so it is again minus 4, 3 it is 6, it will be minus 6, 4 it is again 2. So this will be the pattern. Okay, so this will be again the pattern. Okay. Okay, this will be the inverted signal. So here it is slightly, it will be a little bit straight here, this. Okay, so this is the final amplitude inverted signal. First it was scaled 2xt, then we perform minus 2xt. So this is the final signal. This is the original signal. First we done 2xt here, then we perform minus 2xt here. Okay. So this is the first question related to amplitude scaling and inversion performed at the same time.